Da 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 da. Hi everybody, it's Mr. Alqamoussi. Today we're going to explore the suffix and its function in English words. Before we get started, let's briefly recall this important principle of language. Big words are made of smaller words. Whenever we encounter long words with many syllables, we can always break down those words into their smaller components and meanings. In English, those three components are the prefix, root, and suffix. Although the root is the foundational morpheme of the word, the suffix serves a number of very important and essential roles in the English language. One of which is to modify the meaning of the root, and another is to help establish or modify the word's function in the sentence, which is also known as the part of speech. Some common suffixes include tion, which serves to convert the word into a noun, ness, which is also a noun function meaning to have the quality of, ed, which serves to convert the word into a verb in the past tense, ing, which is commonly a verb or adjectival ending for an ongoing action, ic, which is a descriptive suffix meaning to be or have, ive, a descriptive suffix meaning to have or be, able or ible, an adjectival suffix which means able to do, and the suffix ly, which is the most common adverb suffix and describes how a verb is done. I realize that some might be confused about what these terms mean. That will all be discussed in detail in upcoming lessons. For now, what is important is simply to understand what a suffix is and how it functions within a word. So let's see what you've learned so far. Number your paper from 1 to 5. In a moment, you will see some suffixes on the screen which will appear in red. Try to determine the meaning of the suffix based on the sample word provided. You may begin. And here are the correct answers. Hopefully this video was useful in helping you understand the function of English suffixes. Thanks for watching.